Okay, so I'm gonna look at my tree here. There is a branch up there. It's raining now. A branch that fell off a little bit, like a small piece. And we're gonna look up here to see where this came from. Somewhere here on the right. I mean, does this look okay? Looks beautiful, kind of all those colors. This I'm taping this here with DJI Osmo. Not the action, like this is like the small little thing with a gimbal on it. On a stick. And when I go up here in the tree, I have to be careful that I don't poke the power lines here. Because this one branch is leaning on the power line. I think it broke off kind of and is pushing the power line down. The city was here to cut branches and I asked them about it and they said this is not their problem. So they stay away from wires. Okay. We see from the bottom here from the ground floor it looks good, but I have to see. I hold this stick with one hand and I try to move the camera around on this gimbal there with the app on the phone. It's a little hard to move around. I have to go right very close to the tree branch here, but there we see it. This thing seems to be hollow inside. Look at that. Wow. It's crazy. There's almost nothing left. That is still up there is amazing. That doesn't break off the whole thing. It's crazy. Look at that. It's hollow. Wow. Yeah, I play this part here in 50% slower than I recorded it. That's why it looks very stable. You see here the cables. Right? So I don't think there's a lot of power in there. It's just a telephone and internet, cable TV and that kind of stuff that goes over to the nearby. That piece doesn't look good either. This will break off at one point. I hope that doesn't take the internet down, then that will be it with uploading videos like this. Alright. Yeah. So it's a good idea to, if you have a tree and you want to see instead of climbing up there, you just put your camera on a stick and then those little Osmo things are great. Look at this image quality. Wow. I didn't even put it in 4K.